How to change your Android phone language in 2022 easy and fast. So all you have to do guys is simple. Just go down here to settings, click on it, click on settings, and now right here all what you have to do now is scroll down and you find the system option. Click on it like this and right here you will find many options. Now all what you have to do is just click on language and input, and after click on it you will find the language option right here. Now click on it like this and you will be able to add the language from here and choose any language you want. As you can see, very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later and thank you so much.